Hey, good morning. Take it from me because I'm 60 years old. I'm telling you, without sufficient omega 3 in your cells, you are going to age faster. Okay? That's truth. You can check any number of doctors. You can go through all the information which is available on Google. There's one where in Google you can go to Google Scholar and type omega 6 to omega 3 ratio. You'll get thousands and thousands of articles. Everywhere it is said that if your balance between omega 6 and omega 3 is not proper, you have more omega 6 and less omega 3, you are going to suffer from a thing called chronic inflammation that makes you age faster. It's called accelerated aging. You see, people are 40 looking like 50, people are 50 looking like 70. It's very common now. Okay, there are very, very few exceptions where the person looks his age. Everybody else looks older than their actual age. It's because you're suffering from chronic inflammation since many, many years. It did not start yesterday. It started long before you notice it. You feel that at 50 you should be tired. At 60 you should have diabetes or BP. No. Dr. Paul Clayton says it's not so. 150 years ago, in England, that period is called pre-Victorian period. People did not have diabetes, BP, arthritis, osteoporosis, migraine headache, obesity. If you look at the photos, I have a couple of photos, I can find it and send it to you. They were fit because they were burning more calories, eating more good nutrition. They were eating good food, heavy meals, but they were burning the calories. They were consuming enough omega 3. The two places where you can get enough omega 3 is, one is seaweed or algae, and the second one is oily fish. There are 4 or 5 types of fish: tuna, salmons, and small fishes. I don't remember the names, but they give you omega 3. If you are a pure vegetarian, if you are vegan, you can go and consume seaweed or algae. But without these two, people may say flaxseed will give you omega 3, and what else? Walnuts will give you omega 3. Almonds will give you omega 3, not omega 3. You should have in omega 3 EPA and DHA, something like that. 2 components which are very, very important. They said by Dr. Paul Clayton. I'm not telling it myself. I studied so much in the last 2 months because me and my wife and my daughters got the best of the best health results. Now I don't fear heart attacks. I don't fear diabetes. I don't fear blood pressures. I don't fear any disease because I know I'm on my way to the peak healthy at the age of 60. If I can feel that, selling you on bottle is not my purpose. I want this message to go out to the whole world. That's why I'm doing this FB Live. I will be promoting this FB Live. And I'll be shouting louder and louder and louder until the deserving people will buy it from me or from others. Tomorrow you may hear this name, Balance Oil, Zenzino. You may buy it from others. That doesn't matter to me. I want you to check this out. Not necessarily you should trust me. Not necessary. Because I'm not an expert, I'm not a doctor. But check with doctor, what is the significance of omega essential fatty acids in total and omega 6 and omega 3. You check with them. If they say that no, it's not important, then go ahead and forget it. If you go on Google, because doctor may say something stupid also, okay? Go on Google, Google Scholar, and search for omega 6 to 3 ratio and how important it is. You will get all the details. And go to YouTube and or go to on Google, find Dr. Paul Clayton's videos. You will know the significance. My wife was suffering from body pain, joint pain since 15 years. It has disappeared totally, 100%. If this can give me that, I'm going to shout out to everybody who wants to listen. I don't care whether you take it or not. At the end of the day, it's God's will. My God will was I got it at the age of 60. You may be fortunate, more fortunate than me. If you open your mind, contact me. Manjunath, you are listening to me, contact me. I don't want to bug anybody, my warm circle. I don't want to do that. But if you miss this, you are missing a great opportunity to get your health back. I reduced 1.5 kg of body weight. My wife reduced 2 kg of body weight. And we lost these unwanted tires around our ribs, around our this part of the stomach. We are losing that. My daughter is doing that. My daughter is telling that she is getting more energy while dancing. She's getting that energy to dance forever. If this can give you that, what is the price you want to pay for that? Please, please, please check it out. Go to 63mystery.com. 63mystery.com. 63 MYSTERY. I'll put that in the description section. Go there and watch the short video and register yourself. I'll call you back. We'll discuss it. If I can convince you, if you can convince yourself this is worth taking, then only you do it. Okay? So my humble request, at the end of this 2021, we faced lots of problems in the last 2 years, right? We faced the biggest challenge any modern society faced. Huge, whole generation, recorded generation faced this challenge and we won. Now you want to stay there unfit with more body weight than needed, with diseases making you eat capsules, tablets every day, or you lead a better life. That's your decision. I'm not here to make that judgment for you. My aim, being a marketer, being a partner, independent partner of Zeno, to provide you the information and let you make the decision. If there is an offer, today it is closing. You get product worth $4,999 free if you order today. That's huge. Okay? So decide to come back. Please, Manjunath, everybody else who will be watching this, please come back, contact me. I'm here to explain to you what it can give you, how much it costs, how you can order it today so that you get that 5,000 rupees worth of product for free. That's your decision. I'll be waiting for you. Thank you. God bless you. Bye-bye. And have a fantastic New Year 2022. All the best. God bless you. Bye-bye.